it's me, Toka Payton. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications. I want to make a shout out to the video player _MO3FS. Thank you for your comment and support. Today's theme is going on an airplane. Guess where we are going? Hawaii! We have never been on an airplane before. How exciting this is going to be. Okay, guys, let's grab our luggage and head to the airport. Okay, kids, grab your luggage. We gotta head to the train station first to get to the airport. Okay, put that in your suitcase. Okay. Okay, I went to the airport earlier because they booked us a flight, right? Yes. And I asked for the tickets and they gave me the tickets. So we can already come in because it's 4:20 and we have to get on the train. We have to get to the train as soon as possible. Why are you wearing your floaty already? I'm just so excited. Come on, you gotta change that, girl. Oh, you already put my ticket in? Yeah, why? Why do I got two? Well, maybe Jessica wanted one, so I decided to get you one. Put everything back in your bag. Guys, grab y'all tickets out. Grab y'all tickets out. Why is it so hard to zip up? I packed too much stuff. Yeah, I can tell, Lauren. Okay, I gotta get my ticket. I'm gonna put it with the baby. Hi, excuse me, are you in line? No! Stop unzipping your bag. I was looking for something. Come on, we gotta go. Okay, got my phone. Ugh. Why is this baby bag so exhausting? Oh, I'm so tired of you. Ugh. Put y'all's luggage up there and keep y'all's tickets. I gotta bring the baby out. Put the stroller up there. Okay, it won't go up there. Excuse me. Need to be rude, sorry. No, it's okay. Okay, there's a room over here where y'all can give him your tickets. So I'm gonna bring the baby with us because, like, whoa. Okay, we're gonna wait right here until he comes by. I want to lay on the bed. Well, then give me your ticket. What if I want to lay on the bed too? Give me your ticket. Okay, all passengers remain seated. I'm coming by to get y'all's tickets. Hi, ma'am. How many? There's 4, but I already checked her in. Okay. So 3 tickets? Yep. Is that man back there have a ticket? I don't think so. I think he sneaked on. Okay, I'll tell him to get off. Sir, where are you heading to? I don't know. I just found this. Sir, you have to get off. Okay. Okay, everybody seated? Yes. Okay, headed to the airport. No, she would fall. Okay, she's sleeping. Y'all, come over here. But I don't want to sit down. Fine. I'll only let y'all hold on to this railing once. If y'all fall, no. We gotta grab our luggage because we're almost there. Okay, we're here. Gotta go grab the baby. Come on, Alice. I know, honey. It's okay. Okay, grab y'all's luggage. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, we turned it into the train guy. He should already have it. Place your bag. Okay. Are y'all taking it on? Yes. Okay, then you know how to place your bag. You can. My bag. My bag! I guess they were just getting off of the airplane. Yeah, they're grabbing their luggage. First, we gotta make sure our bodies are good. Okay, go. Okay, good. 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 Okay. Put your bags on these racks. Grab y'all's bags. They went through safely. So let's head on to the airplane. Well, we have to wait because the airplane is so cool. Hi, y'all know there's snacks y'all can have some. Kids, do you want some snacks? Yes. I want Taco Bar. I want some chippies, potato chips. Okay, Jessica. Y'all can remain seated. You can board the plane in 15 minutes. What group are we? We are Group A, so we get on the plane first. Yay! Group A, you can remain to board on the airplane. Yes. Go. Yes, hi, you know me. Yes, I know you. You're my childhood best friend in middle school. Okay, let's go put our luggage up here. And let's remain seats. Okay, y'all gotta sit by yourself. Okay, they're asleep now. I gotta hold you, baby. I guess I just... Okay, guys, thank you again for visiting my channel. Stay tuned for next time. We will be in Hawaii. See you soon, guys.